and the number of vegan cookbooks has grown exponentially from only 23 in 2012 to 220 in 2016.
We search databases that give us the sequence of DNA which encodes for the proteins in milk. We then take that information and go to a synthesis service that makes us that snippet of DNA. We put it into yeast. That yeast then starts producing that protein. So now these yeasts are sort of like our dairy. Sort of like instead of milking cows, we're actually just getting these proteins out of the yeast. This is important because these proteins are what give milk all of its really interesting properties and what gives cheese the properties that you associate with cheese. Things like meltability, stretchability, that texture. Those proteins are the most important thing. So that's what the project is taking yeast and making these exact same proteins so we can make real cheese, which is also vegan.
We use cells from a cow. We harvest them through a harmless procedure. And they have cells, we all have cells in our muscles that are sitting there waiting to repair an injury. And they have the capacity to multiply. So we take them out of the cow, expand them in the lab until we have 40 billion cells. And we do that in a particular way so that they form real muscle fibers. And that's the basis for our meat. So if we have a lot of those muscle fibers, we can basically make a hamburger out of them.